So they're committing a violation. This is actually a crime against humanity.
Sobra-sobrang kawalang hiyaan na ito ng China. Kahit kasi paulit-ulit na palayasin ng Philippine Navy ang mga Chinese sa West Philippine Sea, ilang araw lang ay naglipanan naman ang mga incheck. Ang mas nakakagulat pa sa pagsisid na ginawa ng Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, mga bahura sa Baho de Masinloc pinagwawasak na. Mga isda doon pinaglalason pa gamit ang chemical na nakamamatay na tinatawag na cyanide. Ubos na nga ang maraming mga isda doon. At crime against humanity nga ang krimen na ginagawa ng mga Chinese. Pinaghihinalaan tuloy ng BIFAR na kaya winawasak ng mga poras sa Baho de Masinloc ay tatayuan to ng panibagong artificial island mula sa China. At pag hindi umaksyon dito ang Pilipinas, tiyak mananakawa na naman tayo ng napakahalagang islang pinagkakabuhayan ng marami mga Pilipinong mangingisda.
According to Philippine fishermen, yung mga Chinese fishermen, if I'm not mistaken, ay gumagamit po ng cyanide as well as mga Vietnamese fishers. And according to the statement of our Filipino fishers, these Chinese actually they intentionally destroyed Baho de Masinloc to prevent Filipino fishing boats to fish in the area. So again, these are serious concerns.
Pinakamalala pang mangyayari sa ating bansa, wala nang makukuhang isda sa West Philippine Sea dahil pinagwawasak na ng mga Chinese ito. Pero hindi niya hayaan yan ng Philippine Coast Guard at BIFAR na wasakin lang basta-basta. Inutos na raw ni Defense Secretary Commodore ang 24 oras na pagbabantay sa Pilipinas ng Baho de Masinloc. May rotational deployment na rin ang BIFAR at PCG para malaya mapamisda ang ating mga kababayan at makarami ng huling isda. Adawin lahat ng PCG ang kanilang makakaya kahit magkagulo pa raw doon. Pero papanindigin daw ni Commodore Gyera na hindi Pilipinas ang magsisimula ng Gyera pag nagkataon. Kung umabot man sa malaking gulo ito, asahan na may mabilis na resback mula sa Pilipinas at sa US.
Are we provoking China? Are we escalating it? I don't think so. You know, their presence, with or without the government vessels, rotational deployment of PCG and BIFAR vessels in Baho de Masinloc, nandun naman sila. The only reason why we're there, let me first highlight the fact na ang objective natin dito is not to provoke anybody, not to escalate the tension in Baho de Masinloc. Our objective here is to protect the Filipino fishermen, to make sure na mga Pilipino mangingisda ay makakapangisa sa Baho de Masinloc. The guidance of the President has been very clear. The rotational deployment will be here to stay between the Philippine Coast Guard and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. The objective of which is also related to the first question, for the food security, to make sure that we're going to protect the Filipino fishermen's rights and to ensure that the Filipino fishermen can go there fishing freely na wala ng harassment. So, again, to add up with the response of Sir Nasty, ang possibility na ang Philippine fishermen, mga Filipino fishermen will no longer go to the West Philippine Sea is something that this national government is not considering. This is the reason why we have the rotational deployment. Wala itong katapusan. Meron itong simula noong February 1. February 1 to February 9 for the Coast Guard, and then BIFAR took over. But definitely, may simula, pero walang katapusan. This is the commitment of the Philippine Coast Guard and the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, because the guidance of the President is very clear to support the Filipino fishermen for our objective of food security.
Talagang hindi na dapat pang pagkatiwalaan ang China. Nangako lang noong nakaraang buwan na haalisin ang lahat ng Chinese Coast Guard at maritime militia. Pero noong hindi na malala ang tensyon, palihim na namang nagbabalikan ang mga incheck. Kaya tingin nyo, ano ang dapat gawin ng Department of National Defense laban sa China?